Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 9, area of plane figures, in that exercise 9.1 sixth problem. So sixth problem is the ratio of the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is 5:3 and the distance between them is 16 cm. If the area of the trapezium is 960 cm square, find the length of the parallel sides. So let's see the solution for this problem. So let's take a trapezium like this. This is a ABCD trapezium. So this is the distance between these two parallel sides. That is h equal to, they gave 16 centimeters. And we don't know the value of AB and CD, but they are in the ratio of 5:3. So first we have to write what they give. So given that the ratio of the length of parallel sides is 5:3. Length of parallel sides equal to 5:3. That means we can take CD is to AB is 5:3. CD is 5 and AB is 3. Let CD equal to 5x centimeters and AB equal to 3x centimeters. Next they gave distance between parallel sides is height equal to 16 centimeters. Next one is the area of the trapezium is, the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to, they gave 960 centimeter square. So now we can find the area of trapezium. That is the formula for area of trapezium equal to half into h into, h means the distance between two parallel sides, a plus b. Here a and b are the opposite parallel sides. So this is the formula for area of trapezium A. So now we can substitute in this. Area of trapezium is 960 equal to half into h is 16 centimeters into a plus b. That means opposite parallel sides. We have opposite parallel sides are 5x and 3x. So 5x plus 3x. So here we can cancel 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. Then we get 8 into 5x plus 3x equal to 960. Next here 5x plus 3x is 8x equal to 960 by 8. Next step is x equal to 960 by, here multiplication will become divide. So 8 into 8. So here x equal to 960 divided by 8 is 64. So we can directly cancel in 64 table. 64 ones are 64, 64 15s are 960. So we get x equal to 15. If you have any doubt, then do multiplication of 64 into 15. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 30 plus 2, 32. 164 is 64, 0. 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 6 is 9, 960. So we get 64 15s are 960. So here x equal to 15. So now we have to substitute in the CD and AB. So here AB equal to, we have 3x So 3 into x is 15. 3 into 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So we get 45 centimeters. Then CD equal to 5x. 5 into x is 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. So we get 75. So we get AB equal to 45 centimeters and CD equal to 75 centimeters. The length of parallel sides are we get 45 centimeters and 75 centimeters. This is the solution for this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.